Well, I've got her up on the ramp and it is surprisingly rust-free. Not completely rust-free, it's a bit of surface, a little bit of bubbling there, but the floor itself and the sills and stuff are surprisingly, I squirted oil everywhere, try and free it all up a bit. Look at that. Must have found the year when they didn't rust out completely. It's really good. Really good. So I squirted it all with WD-40 and all the joints. So when we need to undo stuff, it's okay. What's this one like? I need a bit of patching on that one, I'd have thought. A new sill. But on the whole, bloody good. Look at those wheels. 175. Where are we? Yeah, 175.80. Nothing says 1980 like that, look at it.